Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and permanently delete your YouTube channel? Well, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, before you delete, make sure that you back up data, switch accounts, and use a browser. You cannot delete it from a mobile device. So as you can see, I have this channel opened up right over here. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click on Manage Studio. And once you do that, you'll be taken to the YouTube Studio dashboard, right? Now, all you need to do is click on the settings tab right over here, click on channel right over here. And once you've done that, simply go ahead into advanced settings and then click on remove YouTube content. So right over here and click on that. Once you do that, simply go ahead and verify yourself and then select that you want to permanently delete your content, which is going to be right over here. As you can see, a option will pop up right over here. Click on I want to permanently delete my content and then continue with the prompt that is going to be shown on the screen and your account will be deleted. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.